What's up guys, it's Anthony from Duramaxtuner, and today I have another product highlight for you. This one is going to be for you 01 to 05 Duramax owners, and it's something that's near and dear to my heart as well. It is our 6-speed conversion kit. Now what this is going to include is our custom wire valve body and new TCM to install into your truck. Now this is going to be for the guys who are looking to get a little bit more performance out of your 5-speed Allison, because we all know the 6 speeds are held in high regard for the Duramax platform, and the 5 speeds really don't get a lot of love. So what we want to do is introduce a kit to actually engage the 6 gear that's in your transmission from the factory. Just needs a little bit of help with the 6-speed conversion kit. Now what this is going to entail, like I mentioned, our 6-speed valve body and our custom TCM with TCM tuning also. So not only do you get the 6 gear, but you get the adjusted shift points, adjusted converter lockup. All the benefits that we offer in our transmission tuning are going to come in this package as well. What this kit is going to offer other than a 6 gear is going to be lower operating RPM on the highway, reduced cab noise, and overall just a much more comfortable, enjoyable operating experience in these trucks. Anyone who's driven a 5-speed know when your highway speeds, the RPMs, they're up there, they're screaming, the truck's loud, the cab's loud. It's just not a good experience. So engaging into that 6 gear is going to give you about a 14% drop in RPM. And yes, there's different tire size, different gear ratios. You can check out our conversion kit calculator to see where your truck is going to fall. But overall, you're going to see fuel savings on the highway, lower RPM, reduced cab noise, and of course, fuel savings. That's the big one that everyone's after. And that about does it for today's product highlight. My name's Anthony. If you have any other questions, give us a call. Phone number is 815-568-7920. We'll talk to you soon.